What's the difference between worksheets and workbooks in Excel? The main differences between worksheets and workbooks in Excel are: worksheets. A worksheet is a single spreadsheet page in a workbook. It consists of cells organized in rows and columns for entering data. Workbooks. A workbook is an Excel file that can contain one or more worksheets, sheets. It serves as a container to hold all the sheets. Containment. Worksheets are contained within a workbook, but workbooks can exist independently without any worksheet. Quantity. A single workbook can hold many worksheets, limited by Excel version. But one worksheet cannot span multiple workbooks. Navigation. You can navigate between different worksheets of the same workbook using the sheet tabs at the bottom. Switching between workbooks closes the current one. Formatting. Worksheets inherit global styles and theme formatting from the workbook, but sheets can be formatted independently. Data. Each worksheet stores its own cells of data. Data does not flow from one sheet to another automatically. File operations. You can move, copy or delete entire worksheets within the same workbook, but workbooks have to be managed as separate files. Usage. Worksheets are ideal for organizing related data sets, separate reports, lists, etc. within the same file. Workbooks are used to group associated worksheets as distinct files. So in essence, worksheets are the components housed within a workbook file. Let me know if you need any clarification or have additional questions.